Hi YouTube, welcome to Born to be Crafty. Today we're going to be doing this centerpiece right here. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell so you can get notified that I downloaded a new video. And let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. What we're gonna need for this arrangement is gonna be a tea light holder. Their little bowls are $4 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna need floral foam, 5 bouquets of flowers, another candle holder, but these are a little bit different. I want to try them in a couple of ways. We're also going to need, we're gonna try a glass plate, and here's the glass bowl. So just the design, I just thought it would be interesting. This one that my fiance actually painted the edges on that copper color that I've been using as a rose gold. So we can use it in different ways. So let's get started.
So we're gonna use the medium-sized tea light holder, and I'm gonna fill it in with diamonds and pearls. You can use seashells, you can use pearls, you can use seashells with pearls, you can use even sand, just whatever you think will look good in there. Just be creative.
So there we go. Again, so let that dry, either overnight or whatever the requirements for that glue is. I think this one, I guess this is 10 minutes.
Okay, so here we're gonna do the same as the previous one, the first project. we're just gonna do the plate, the candle holder, and then we're gonna do the flowers on the top. We're gonna use the LED light the same way. We put it right under here. There's a couple of options you can do with this centerpiece. You can use a candle, just like that. Or you can use the flowers bouquets like the other one. And this is what I'm gonna end up using. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my decoration on the stem. If you want, I'm gonna use ribbon. So I'm gonna flip it upside down and I'm gonna place a piece of hot glue right down the middle, and then I'm gonna start wrapping it up. Then cut it right there, and just fold it a little bit so it will be, the ribbon won't fry. So I'm gonna do the same thing going down. I'm gonna take advantage that the plate is comfortable to do it that way. And the same thing, I'm gonna fold it so you have a nice complete finish to it. A little bit of glue right there and done. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it back upside the right way, and I think I'm gonna add some diamond wrap. One right almost to the middle. And then another one on the bottom, just to kind of hide the imperfection that I have right there. So right here, like you see, I put the two diamond wrap right there. So now I'm gonna grab the plate again. There it is. Do you want to bond it with G6000 or hot glue? And like I said, you can use a candle. And that looks pretty as it is right there. That's pretty nice looking. But like I said, I'm gonna use the bouquet. Here's another option you can do. You can actually grab some diamond wrap and put it at the edge of the plate, and then you put the candle. That will make it look pretty too. Just an idea. I might do it later. So you can put the LED under. I want to see how it looks with the light on. So you might not be able to see it, but the light is reflect with the where the diamonds and pearls are at, so it actually goes all the way up. So again, we have another option. So what I'm gonna do is, you know how I did the chandelier crystals going down, this time I'm gonna do it a little bit different. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the flower like we did with the other one, put it through the loop, and then I want to loop it around the bouquet itself so it will be draped, the crystals will be draped. So you just pull another one and just keep forming it until you're satisfied with what you want. Make sure they're even, or at least they look even when you put it on the centerpiece. I had to play with it a little bit, as you can see, because I thought it was even, and when I put it together it was like, oh, one side is longer. So what I did is I basically put them all together and made sure that, you know, they were similar all the way across. Okay, so there you go. Here is when I was setting up all the centerpieces for the staging for the picture, and that's when I grabbed the love signs and the mirrors and all the gems, and I put it all together. It wasn't the original plan, and I just kind of saw it and I was like, oh, that would be nice, and that's how we ended up with the final product. That was that. Like I said, all the items will be listed on the description, so don't forget, if you want to recreate this, you can just go down to the description and find out which ones that I get, and even order them online, so you don't even have to go out to the store, especially with all this stuff going on right now. So there I put the gems. I just kind of scattered them all over the place. I'm adjusting the camera because they were facing up too high. Here I grab my fairy lights. And here I put in the last mirror that I remember. Oops, I forgot. So here's our final product. I hope you like it, and I will see you for my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get messages that I loaded a new video. Thank you.